May the Almighty grant that the cause of truth, justice, and humanity shall in no wise suffer at my hands. With high hope for the future, no prediction is ventured. The best way to get a bad law repealed is to enforce it strictly. One's only security in life comes from doing something uncommonly well. No country can sustain, in idleness, more than a small percentage of its numbers. The great majority must labor at something productive. You can have anything you want, if you want it badly enough. If friendship is your weakest point, then you are the strongest person in the world. But fight we must, and conquer we shall, in the end. The fiery trials through which we pass will light us down in honor or dishonor to the latest generation. Every man's happiness is his own responsibility. I am an optimist because I don't see the point in being anything else. That some achieve great success is proof to all that others can achieve it as well. If any man tells you he loves America, yet hates labor, he is a liar. If any man tells you he trusts America, yet fears labor, he is a fool. What is conservatism? Is it not the adherence to the old and tried against the new and untried? Don't worry when you are not recognized, but strive to be worthy of recognition. I would rather be assassinated than see a single star removed from the American flag. Believing everybody is dangerous, but believing nobody is more dangerous. Half-finished work generally proves to be labor lost. You can't help the poor by being one of them. I have simply tried to do what seemed best each day, as each day came. The political horizon looks dark and lowering, but the people, under Providence, will set all right. If I am killed, I can die by once, but to live in constant dread of it is to die over and over again. The loss of enemies does not compensate for the loss of friends. Let no feeling of discouragement prey upon you, and in the end you are sure to succeed. What are you going to do for a face when the baboon wants his ass back? My great concern is not whether you have failed, but whether you are content with your failure. Towie's and others' heartache is to forget one's own. I have always found that mercy bears richer fruits than strict justice. Leave nothing for tomorrow which can be done today. Teach economy. That is one of the first and highest virtues. It begins with saving money. Let us renew our trust in God and go forward without fear. It's not me who can't keep a secret. It's the people I tell that can't. Marriage is neither heaven nor hell. It is simply purgatory. It is difficult to make a man miserable while he feels worthy of himself and claims kindred to the great God who made him.